Hello everyone, this is Nishant. Welcome to the second video of JavaScript interview series. So today we'll learn about filter and find. So they are also an array methods. Filter is, as the name suggests, filter is basically used to filter some values inside an array, and of course filter returns a new array as well. So let's see the syntax. Syntax is again quite similar. I already told you about the syntax of map and forEach in my previous video. So let's take a variable called res, and we have an array named arr. Now let's write filter. Syntax is similar: parenthesis, again parenthesis, then arrow, then curly braces. Again this will contain three values. First is item, second is index, third is arr. So the item contains these values individually. For each loop, these values will be in item. Like in first loop, item contains 3. In second loop, item contains 4. In third loop, 5. In fourth, 2. Like this. And index contains the index of those values. So suppose if it is 3, then index will be 0. If it is 4, then index will be 1. And that array will contain the whole array. Every time the array will be same, the array which we are looping will be the array. Now simply we just have to return our condition. Suppose if I want to check the value is greater than let's say 5, then it will return me all the values inside an array with greater than 5. Let's console.log the res value and let's see it. Okay, console.log, oh my mistake, console.log res. Here it comes, well is not defined, okay, so sorry, I write item but I used well. Now let's run it. So see, we get all the values which is lesser than which is greater than 5. Now we can write any condition which we want. Percentage 2, modulo 2 is equal to 0. So basically we are filtering out the even numbers. Okay, so this is how filter works. Whatever the condition you want to apply, you can apply in the filter. It will return you a new array with the filtered value. Same as like filter, there is another method called find. It is quite similar to filter, just the main difference is filter returns a new array, find returns a value, only the first value which satisfies the condition. Okay, let's see it. Let's say we write const result arr dot find. Again the syntax is similar: parenthesis, again parenthesis, then arrow, then curly braces. Now we just have to write the condition: return, let's say so this parenthesis will also contain these three values: item, index, and arr, basically array. So we don't need those values, we only need item, so I will write only item. Let's say item is greater than let's say 5. So this will return the first value which is greater than 5. Let's console.log it. Console.log result. Let's see. See, the first value which is greater than 5 is 60. Let's write the even number condition: modulo 2 0. So it should return 4. Let's see if it is returning 4 or not. See, it is returning 4. So this is how filter and find works. And the major difference between filter and find is filter returns a new array with the whole filtered value, while the find returns only the first value which satisfies the condition. So generally interviewers ask the difference between filter and find. So this is it. Thank you. Bye bye.